In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in a document library using SharePoint's modern experience. Whether you're new to SharePoint or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, let's head over to the SharePoint site where you want to create your folder. Once you're there, open up the document library. This is where your files and folders reside, and it's where we'll be adding a new folder today. Now take a look at the command bar across the top area of your screen. Here, you'll find a plus New button. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu should appear. From this list, you'll want to select Folder. This is your cue to give your new folder a name. Choose a name that's descriptive of what you'll be storing to keep everything organized. After typing in the folder name, click Create. And just like that, your new folder should appear within the library, ready for you to add and organize your documents. However, if you don't see the option to create a new folder from that menu, it could mean that folder creation has been turned off, or you might not have the necessary permissions to create new folders. Let's troubleshoot this situation so you can get back to organizing your library smoothly. You'll need to navigate to Library Settings to make some adjustments. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon, which often sits in the upper right corner of your screen. From there, select Library Settings. In the Library Settings, locate Advanced Settings. It's usually a bit further down, so be sure to scroll if you don't see it right away. Within Advanced Settings, look for the Folders section. This is where you can check if the option to make the new folder command available is indeed turned on. If it's currently set to No, simply switch it to Yes. After you make this change, be sure to save your settings or select OK, whichever option is available. Once you've done that, head back to your document library and refresh the page. You should now see the New Folder option in your menu. This small adjustment ensures that folder creation is enabled, and you're ready to organize your document library as needed. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to create a folder in a SharePoint document library using the modern experience. Remember, having a well-organized library can make all the difference in maintaining productivity and ensuring you can find your documents with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!